Protect your PS5 from scratches and dust while adding personal style with top-rated skin sets. Made from premium vinyl, like 3M, they offer a bubble-free, residue-free fit and full console/controller coverage. Options range from rugged grips to sleek decals, keeping your PS5 pristine and unique. Starting at number 1. Tokluck PS5 Wall Mount with Fan and Charger. The Tokluck PS5 Wall Mount Kit is an ambitious all-in-one accessory designed to hold all PlayStation 5 models, original, slim, pro, disc, and digital, while adding a built-in cooling fan, a dual-controller charger, compatible with both standard DualSense and Edge controllers, a headset holder, and an extra USB port, all for a reasonable price. Its sturdy stainless steel build provides reliable wall mounting, and the front-facing charging LEDs and 2.5-hour quick charging are genuinely convenient. However, the cooling system is a major compromise. The 3-speed fans are often not very effective at reducing console temperatures and can become noticeably loud, especially on the highest setting. Additionally, some users find the controller docking a bit fiddly, the included USB cable may be poor quality, and the instructions can make installation less straightforward than advertised. Overall, this mount is best for gamers whose primary goal is saving space behind a TV and who value the convenience of an integrated charging station, but those who prioritize quiet, truly effective cooling or a flawless out-of-box experience should consider alternative options. Number 2. Kuitmor Silicone PS5 Controller Cover Skin Set. The Kuitmor Silicone PS5 controller cover set is a simple, low-cost way to protect your DualSense wireless controller while adding a playful touch with its blue cinnamon design. Made from soft, anti-slip silicone, this skin fits the PS5 controller precisely. It won't block any buttons, ports, or controls, and it helps guard against drops, scratches, and everyday wear. The package includes 2 thumb grip caps for better joystick control and a matching sticker. Plus the cover is said to be compatible with charging stations, so you don't have to remove it every time you charge. Installation is tool-free, though you'll want to carefully align the openings. Just keep in mind this skin is only for the standard PS5 wireless controller, not for Xbox, Switch Pro, or other models, and the controller itself isn't included. Overall, if you want a lightweight, cute, and functional protective cover that doesn't interfere with gameplay or docking, this is a solid budget-friendly choice. Just be aware that silicone can attract dust over time and may feel slightly different from the bare controller's texture. Number 3. Kuitmor Silicone PS5 Controller Cover Skin Set. The Kuitmor Silicone PS5 controller cover set in Pink Melody offers a charming and practical way to protect your DualSense controller while adding a soft, pastel aesthetic. Precision cut to fit only the standard PS5 wireless controller, not for Xbox or Switch Pro. This soft silicone skin wraps snugly around the controller without blocking any buttons, triggers, ports, or touchpad. The anti-slip material provides a secure grip, helps absorb impact from accidental drops, and resists everyday wear and tear. Installation is completely tool-free. Just carefully align the button and joystick openings before slipping the cover on. Included in the package are 2 thumb grip caps for added control and comfort, plus 1 matching Pink Melody sticker for a personal touch. Importantly, the cover is designed to be compatible with most charging stations, so you don't have to remove it every time you charge. While silicone skins can attract dust or lint over time and feel slightly different from the bare controller, this set delivers solid protection and a cute, coordinated look for a budget-friendly price. Just remember that the controller itself and other accessories are not included. Number 4. Geekshare GSTAC Tactical PS5 Controller Skin Set. The Geekshare GSTAC Tactical PS5 Controller Skin Set brings a bold, battle-ready look to your DualSense, inspired by military-grade gear and perfectly themed for Black Myth, Wukong. Its matte black finish with angular contours and rugged tactical accents delivers a sleek yet powerful aesthetic that stands out from typical pastel or neon controller skins. Beyond looks, this soft silicone cover is precision-engineered to fit the PS5 controller without blocking any buttons, joysticks, or ports, and the high-precision analog stick openings allow smooth, accurate movements. Ergonomically shaped to reduce hand fatigue during long gaming sessions, the anti-slip material also provides a secure grip and protects against drops, scratches, and daily wear. The kit includes one silicone cover, 2 thumb grip caps, 2 touchpad stickers, 1 black modified sticker, plus a wet wipe and dust cloth for easy installation and cleaning, all packed in a nice custom box, making it a thoughtful gift for a fellow gamer. While silicone can attract dust over time and the tactical style may not suit everyone's taste, this set delivers outstanding durability, comfort, and a distinctive gear-up attitude for PS5 players who want both protection and personality. Just remember the controller itself is not included. Number 5. Eclipse PS5 Edge Controller Skin Combo Set. The Eclipse PS5 Edge Controller Skin Combo Set is a complete protection and customization kit designed specifically for the PlayStation 5 DualSense Edge controller, so make sure you have the premium Edge model, not the standard DualSense. This blue set includes a soft, anti-slip gel silicone cover with 360 degrees flat-top studded grips across the palms and fingertips, which provides excellent traction even during long, intense, or sweaty gaming sessions. Beyond the silicone sleeve, you also get convex and concave thumb grip caps for precise analog control, a matte replacement front faceplate shell for a fresh look, and high-quality vinyl decals for the touchpad and buttons. Importantly, the entire combo is fully compatible with the official PS5 Edge charging dock, so you don't have to remove anything to charge. While installation requires a bit more effort than a simple one-piece skin due to the faceplate swap and decal application, the result is a personalized, well-protected controller that feels secure in your hands. Just keep in mind this kit is only for the DualSense Edge, not the regular PS5 controller, and the controller itself is not included.